In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a classified ads website using WordPress and Elementor, step by step. This is perfect if you want to build a site like Craigslist or OLX, where users can post ads, browse categories, and submit listings for free. You don't need to know any coding, and everything we're doing today uses WordPress, a free plugin, and Elementor. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything on your website, including plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in HivePress. HivePress is a powerful free plugin that lets you create a full classified ad system on your WordPress site. When you see HivePress appear in the results, click Install Now, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. As soon as the plugin is activated, HivePress will automatically add the core functionality needed for listings, categories, and user submissions. Next, go back to your dashboard. From here, you'll want to set up your categories so users know where to post their ads. Navigate to Listings, then Categories. This is where you can create different categories like cars, real estate, jobs, services, or anything that fits your niche. Click Add New Category, give it a name, and repeat this process until you've created all the categories you need. After setting up categories, it's time to create some sample listings. This helps you see how everything looks and functions on the front end. Go to Listings and click Add New. Create at least 4 listings so your site doesn't look empty. Add titles, descriptions, assign categories, and publish each listing. These demo listings are especially useful while designing your pages with Elementor. Next, go back to your home page and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor panel, search for the Listings widget. This widget is added automatically by HivePress. Drag and drop it onto your page. This will display your classified ads dynamically. You can customize how many listings appear, the layout, and the order to match your design. Once you're happy with the layout, click Update to save your changes. At this point, you now have a working classified ads website where users can browse listings, view categories, and submit ads using WordPress and Elementor. And that's it. You've successfully created a classified ads website using WordPress, HivePress, and Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to build their own classified website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.